The Rooster and the Duck. Once upon a time, in a quiet little farm, there lived a proud rooster named Rico. He was known for his loud and confident crow, waking up the farm every morning. Rico believed that his way of life was the best and often boasted about how important he was. One day, Daisy the duck waddled over to the barn, humming a cheerful tune. She loved to swim in the pond and play in the water, which Rico found quite silly. "Daisy," Rico scoffed, "why do you waste your time splashing in the water? You should be like me, waking up the farm and ruling the barnyard." Daisy smiled kindly. "But Rico, I love swimming. The pond is my home, just like the barnyard is yours." Rico shook his feathers. "That's no way to live. You should try being important, like me." One afternoon, dark clouds gathered, and soon, a heavy rainstorm poured over the farm. The barnyard became muddy, and the strong wind knocked over some fences. The farm animals needed help. Rico tried to help the chicks cross the muddy path, but he kept slipping and getting stuck. His feathers were soaked, and he could barely move. But Daisy? She glided through the water with ease, guiding the little chicks to safety. She even helped repair the fences by carrying small wooden pieces on her back. When the storm passed, Rico looked at Daisy with newfound respect. "Daisy, I was wrong to think my way was the only good way. You saved the farm today. Your swimming is just as important as my crowing." Daisy laughed. "See, Rico? We all have different strengths. That's what makes the farm a happy place." From that day on, Rico and Daisy became the best of friends. Rico woke up the farm with his crow, and Daisy kept the pond clean and safe. They both learned to respect and appreciate each other's differences, making the farm a better place for everyone. Moral: respect others' differences.